Hey, what's going on guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today I'm here to show you guys the Jade A70-16 ceramic coating spray. This detail spray is formulated to provide maximum slickness the easiest way possible. Using the same technology as ceramic coatings, this detail spray will provide a hydrophobic surface more than a traditional wax. Surfaces treated with A70-16 Jade ceramic coating spray are glossier, more hydrophobic, and have a longer lasting protection than vehicles treated with traditional wax or sealant. Something we recommend doing before applying Jade ceramic coating spray, or any ceramic coating for that matter, is treating the surface with Refresh Surface Prep. Refresh Surface Prep will remove any waxes or oils that are still on the paint that will prevent the ceramic coating from bonding properly. So I have a super heavy, fluffy, plush orange microfiber towel here and some of our Refresh Surface Prep, and I'm going to go over the hood real quick just to make sure I've removed any oils or waxes that might prevent the ceramic coating from bonding properly. Ceramic coatings do not participate in chemical reactions, therefore they will prevent etching from bird droppings, allow for easy removal of bugs and tree sap, and provide protection from harmful UV rays. This product is rated at 9H hardness and will enable you to provide a quick and easy way to ceramic coat your vehicle. Our Jade ceramic coating spray will protect the surfaces between 9 to 12 months. To maintain this coating, wash your vehicle with Detox Wash and Seal and reapply A70-16 Jade ceramic coating spray in any area where water beads begin to diminish. A pint of A70-16 Jade ceramic coating spray has enough product to coat 3 to 4 medium-sized vehicles. With the price point around $130, you can expect each coat to cost you about $40 per vehicle. We suggest that you charge between $100 to $150 for each vehicle, so each bottle could yield you up to $470 profit. To use Jade ceramic coating spray, spray product into microfiber towel or directly onto surface. To avoid overspray, spray directly onto towel. Hand buff into the paint like you would a traditional spray wax, and watch for flashing and rainbowing while wiping into the paint. Ensure all rainbow streaking has been wiped clear, and reapply Jade ceramic coating spray as liberally as desired, but be sure to allow 5 to 10 minutes between coats. Alright guys, thanks for watching, we hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one, and comment below the videos you want to see next. For any more information on the Jade ceramic coating spray, or any of our other auto detailing products, visit us right here at DetailKing.com. We have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. See you guys next time.